Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope you are doing well. Guys, today came again with one more video, and it's very important about Brother Printer. Guys, if I turn my printer on, you will see it's booting up and it will show the message about drum error. So today we will reset the drum error, and I will tell you how to reset it, because whenever we give the command it's give an error. Let it boot, and you can see it's saying replace parts downside the drum. So we will reset it today. To reset it, first of all, you have to exit this message, press the stop button. Okay, you press the stop button, then press this menu button. Okay guys, then move this cursor down to machine info. Okay, press OK, then again move a bit down, last one, reset menu. Okay, then you will find this drum option, press OK, and then again press reset, press OK. Okay, it's resetted it. Now we will restart our machine, turn it off. Okay, we turn it on again. Now let it boot, and then we will give the command from computer also. Let's see it will print or not. Before it was showing error straight away in the beginning, replace part and drum message. Look, no message now. I will give the command of print from computer to see either it's printing or. Look, there is no message now. There is no message. Now I will give the command to check either it's printing or not. As you can see, it's print fine, and there is no message now. Drum has been reset successfully, and print quality is okay. Okay guys, this was the method to reset the drum error. If anyone of you have Brother Printer with the same model and it's showing the replace drum error, so you can reset it very easily from the menu itself, the printer. Okay guys, hope you understand the method. If you have any question regarding any printer or Brother Printer especially, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries. Take care. Bye.